Hey, I'm Val, and welcome to our laboratory. This is Lily, and we were just talking about technology. Eyes over here. And talking about how the Earth works.
You know, Val, while you were gone, I was wondering, how does the Earth work?
Convection currents, of course.
What are those?
Come over, I'll show you. So the main question is, what are convection currents? And according to all these books, convection is when cold magma sinks because it's more dense, and then hot magma rises because it's less dense. Convection currents are caused by very hot material at the deepest part of the mantle, rising, then cooling, sinking again, then rising, and then repeating the cycle over and over and over and over and over and over. Okay, here we go. Okay, so our Earth is made up of many layers.
Like an onion?
Exactly.
Oh, I think I kind of get it now. The mantle is made up of much denser, thicker material than a plate, and this is why they float on top of the mantle. And the mantle itself is made from a mix of magma and rock, shown in this visual.
And now for a real-life example.
What do these rocks mean?
This is an igneous rock called scoria. It has pockets of air, which means it's less dense. This represents the hot magma. As you can see, it rises to the top. And this represents the cold magma. As you can see too, it sinks. Now for another real-world example.
What does the water represent?
This represents the magma, and this represents the crust. As you can see, it floats.
Wait, I still don't get it. Want to give me another example?
Yeah, sure. For this experiment, we're gonna need a container of lukewarm water. Make sure it's clear so you can see the magic happen. 3 beakers of the same size, 2 filled with ice water and 1 steaming with water, and then 2 different colored food dyes. Put the container on the 3 beakers with the hot one in the middle. Be careful not to burn yourself.
What do the food dyes represent?
The blue dye represents the cold magma, and the yellow dye represents the hot magma. See how the cold dye sinks and the hot dye rises, while the cold dye takes its place, creating a cycle.
That's so cool.
You mean half.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a lust of somebody who needs you.
Okay, so our Earth is made up of many... Guys, now they're gonna walk.
We're getting the aprons now. Yeah, you hear me?
Me and my boys. And now for a real-life example.
Real life, sorry.
Yummy. I always love lemonade.
Wait, stop!
What?
Scoria. It's less dense and it'll represent the hot magma. As you can... Okay. What?
Cool.
No, it's not.
It is. It's like somebody's looking at you.
Okay. Oh wait, before we leave, do we forget something?
I think we forgot an actual real-world example. Convection currents are the reason for the movement of magma, so therefore the movement of the tectonic plates since they rest on top. The movement of the tectonic plates results in mountains and earthquakes appearing on the surface.